This is DJI Mini 3 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and overall manage the camera Gridlines option on this device. The first step is to launch the DJI Fly app either on your phone or on the remote controller. Then go into the flying interface, launch settings by tapping at these three horizontal dots, enter the camera category, scroll down, find the Gridlines option, and here is how you can enable them. There are three Gridlines options which you can separately enable or disable, and if you would like to switch off some of the Gridlines, you can do that this way, and if you would like to disable all the Gridlines, just switch off all those icons individually or separately, and here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.